packed audience enjoys music at the Freshly Ground Sounds event at Al Sorkal Avenue. The event also includes a separate space for musicians to perform acoustic songs. Musicians belt out acoustic covers of popular songs and their own in the dim lighted space. The dim lighting enhances the acoustic sounds of the musicians' performances. AUS student Sali Al Gab explains the importance of freshly ground sounds for UAE's musicians.
Right, so we have a couple of arts foundation, we have Dubai Art, we have Sharjah Art, but we don't have something that's tailored specifically for a local talent. Small scale musicians who just like to go out every once in a while and do their thing and have fun with the crowd. I think it's also important to showcase these talents for the people who are interested. So there's a lot of collaborations, there's a lot of new work that comes out of events like these, between different artists, between producers and artists like ours.
The year-old band Bandali end the night with applause from the audience at the main stage. This is Yuvika Bhatia from Dubai signing off.